finally made it to San Francisco, and it's great. And after 5 years, I lose my watch. I'm happy. We just arrived at San Francisco at our hotel, and now we're gonna go over to the BART station. We're gonna use public transport for the first time over here. One thing that I didn't necessarily ignore, but there's hills in San Francisco, so I'm getting a workout. Oh man, I'm so glad I'm here. This is one of the things that I've been looking forward to.
Thank you.
Got excited to see it, but then I realized I'm gonna have to walk back up. Dude, the sun came out and now it's fucking hot. Pasta part 2. Lobster ravioli. I got smoked salmon fettuccine. Right now it's 7:08 and it's raining. So that's fun. And I don't have my jacket, it's in my bag. The short trip to California after being here like a week ago, pretty awesome, if I'm being honest. San Diego, San Francisco, coming back Thursday morning. Not bad. But our flight's at 8 o'clock. We got probably a little under an hour for boarding. It feels so good to be back. I can't wait to put on slippers. I already took my jacket off. It was hot. Now, I gotta grab an energy drink and go freaking pig out on some local food.